Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Our two nature preserves are as big as New York Central Park. Did you ever wonder who takes care of all this natural area?
Our Parks and Recreation Department has a natural resources team that takes care of maintenance at Arbor Hills and Oak Point. They spend a good portion of their time maintaining the flower beds and grassy areas around the parking lots and buildings, and along the concrete hike and bike trails. The team stays busy working on a long list of maintenance responsibilities, including working with Plano firefighters to do prescribed burns at both nature preserves. They keep a close eye on the wildlife, address erosion concerns, and keep all the trails in great shape.
Most of Oak Point Park and Nature Preserve is in a floodplain. When we get heavy rain, Rowlett Creek overflows its banks. Our team then spends a lot of time scraping and power washing the concrete trails. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.